Hello and welcome to today's video. We are at Disney Springs. It is 8:58. We wanted to make the drone show at 9, but yeah, we got stuck on Rock and Roller Coaster. It took forever. So we just made it. We ended up, the Lime Garage and the Orange Garage were full, so we came to the Grapefruit Garage, and even it's almost full. But we did get here, so we're not gonna make 9. I mean, it's going on, but by the time we get over there, it's gonna be half over. So we'll go to see the 10:30 show, which is fine. It's our last night here anyway, and I did mostly pack, so I don't have that much packing to do tomorrow. But join us as we go to Disney Springs. It's Friday, July 26th. So just for reference, it is 9:06. It took us about 8 minutes to walk from the Grapefruit Garage over to Disney Springs, and it left us over by World of Disney, in between World of Disney and Ghirardelli. So we can see the drone show, but we're gonna wait for the 10:30 show.
So this is the view of the waterside stage. We're gonna go to the west side for the 10:30 show.
We went to World of Disney, and then we came out, and then we got in line for the Lego store. Waited about 5 minutes, took about a 5-minute wait. Now we're here, it is 9:24. So Ryder is doing build your own minifigure on the floor. So these are 3 for $9.99. So here I built that one, and I said, you know, let's just buy it. So he's building another one. For $10, it's gonna be the cheapest thing we buy. So we got a margarita, just a share at the Hangar Bar, like a little outside bartender. And he also gave a cup of ice for Ryder, and I had bubbly. So he got, instead of having more bubbly, he has nice, cool bubbly.
And now we're just walking to the west side to get the best seating for the drone show. So obviously the balloon is closed for Dreams That Soar, which is the drone show, which makes sense. And we're over now on the west side by Disney Style and everything else. So we're gonna go to the Star Wars Galactic Outpost for a few minutes just to check it out. So this is the area. It's got food trucks and there's drinks. There is a bar right here, and it's right in front of the Candy Cauldron. So that's the best place, you know, so Marvel, that's where you're gonna go.
So a cast member actually told us it's actually better to go a little further down. There's an entrance that we can walk to the waterfront, which is the best viewing. You can watch it from here, but they don't open it from here. So it says stay to your right, so that's what we're doing.
Trying to get to the waterfront.
So Dreams That Soar viewing area. It's right next to Cirque du Soleil. Ryder, this drone show better be worth it.
We've been waiting so long!
We've been waiting so long!
So obviously we got here late because there's a lot of people here. So what you need to do is you need to go to Jaleo and eat a Jaleo. That's the spot to be at because they have chairs right here. And there's a lot of spaces open. Obviously it's the 10:45 show.
We ended up right in front of the balloon. Right in front of the food trucks, but on the ledge, so we can actually have seats. And then there's, so have you had a good week?
I've had a phenomenal week. I'm exhausted.
We're getting old.
And Disney in the summer is hard.
And honestly, the difference between the Genie Plus and the Multi-Pass with how we've been doing it, because it's too hot to go in the morning. And so with Genie Plus, you could stack and then go in the evening, and it was great. Multi-Pass, you can't do that. So yeah, I think this is our last summer trip with this new Multi-Pass.
Next year, Alani.
Yeah, Alani.
So 10:42, they shut off all the lights.
As we present Disney Dreams That Soar.
Reporting. This side. 5 standing by.
Hello,
I am Baymax, your personal healthcare companion.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Dance off, bro!
this is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's dreams that soar you to the place where dreams come true. You can see you and the hero too. Just imagine where you'll go with dreams that soar.
What do you think of the drone show?
It was actually really good.
Was it worth the wait?
Yeah.
Okay.
It has a green girl in it, so
It's a great way to end the trip.
yeah. So having Moon Girl in it was a great surprise.
Let's go to the place where dreams come true.
Again.
Hello, Baby Yoda.
Grogu.
Hello, Grogu.
So we came into Sprinkles. Unfortunately, they were sold out of the gluten-free. So Ray and Ryder got a bunch of cupcakes.
And it's 11:20 and we're back to Disney.
But they have these dated lounge flies. And I'm not a big fan of these lounge flies. I like the ones with the canvas. But these are the ones that have 2024. But some of them you really can't see. But these are kind of cute if you like the bright colors. $40. And if you get the annual password discount, another 20%, $32. Awesome. What is it?
It's the boy's booty.
It's the gargoyle's booty. Okay, that's super cute. A little Mario candy dispenser display.
So we came into Basin because why not?
It smells so good in here. Let's look at everything. I love this place.
I just spent $66 at Basin, but I love it. And he got the ones, he loves them too. I got him addicted. So he likes them because they have toys. And so it is 11:52. We are just back from Disney Springs. I thought the drone show was great. Did you like it?
Yeah, it had Moon Girl in it, so that's what made me delete yes.
So it was 10 minutes long. I shopped and I was drinking, so I spent like $33 at Sprinkles. They didn't have any gluten-free cupcakes, so I spent $33 on cupcakes I can't even eat, and $67 on bath bombs. Some of them I can't. Some of them are for Ryder. But it was a great time, had a great time, loved it, and totally worth it. It's going to like the beginning of September, but I hope they extend it. When I was buying the drink, I asked the bartender, I was like, so is this like really helping your business? She's like, yes, it's been amazing. It's honestly, she said, honestly, it's been life-changing. So that's great, you know. So, it was busy even for the 10:45 show. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.